Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting friends. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you on guys your auto brightness mode in your oppo phone. So friends, you want to on guys your auto brightness mode in your oppo phone, so friends you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on auto brightness mode in our oppo phone. In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so friends, first of all guys, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to on guys your auto brightness. So you can see this type of setting. So guys, click on guys your display and brightness setting friends. Guys, you can see guys your auto brightness mode. So you want to on, so you can on, and guys you can see after on guys brightness decrease automatic. So because guys I am inside, I am in the room, but guys, when I will go outside, so brightness will increase. So like that guys, you can on guys your auto brightness mode in your Oppo phone guys. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.